All right, everybody. Tony Hopcraft again here. Just want to share with you. I'm going to sterilize my car. How am I going to do it? You're going to see this. I'm taking the Simix kitchen degreaser, okay? Don't let the name throw you off, people, okay? Because it's kick-ass for cleaning anything in the car. But I'm going to make sure my car is sterile all the way around. And that's basically all you got to do around the whole car is go around, spray and wipe, spray and wipe, spray and wipe, just like that right there. That's all you got to do. It's pretty basic. Any situation, come over here. You notice I'm not overkilling it. I'm just putting it on there. Now, you let it sit for a few seconds. Let the hydrogen peroxide do its work. Let the surfactants kick in. But this stuff works so fast, okay? So, this is all you got to do for the interior of your car. Right here. That's all. It is not a problem. So, any area that you want to clean, okay, or sterilize, just take your light misting of Simix, let it sit. Okay, let's wipe her clean. Okay, and I promise you, this is a sterile surface. Now, just keep in mind that as sterile surfaces go, my whole car is treated inside and outside with the ceramic coatings. So it's going to stay much cleaner. However, coming over the back with it, with the cleaner, with the nano TiO2 in it as well, is going to help you out a lot. So keep that in mind. 10 cents a quart. All right, have a great day.